Hi there. I found a lot of people have been spending a lot of money on Xbox 360 controllers. I found an easy and cheap way of modding Xbox 360 controllers, and that was with buying tiny mini LEDs. They're actually made for them. I'll try and get one out here. You can see how small they actually are. I bought mine off eBay for £2. I've got a set of them. Don't know if you can even see that. It's actually on the middle of that. Micro LEDs. I'm just going to try and see if I can get this right first time. Sometimes you don't. You have to resolder, take them all off. It's all a mess. I use a handy tool, as I call it. What is this just here? Good for holding the board, also for your screws after you've undone the controller. You'll need a T8 or T9. I use a T9. It fits perfectly, works fine. People say T8. Well, I say T8. T9. It doesn't really matter. You can use these type of little holders. They're not really good. So I went out and bought some proper ones. Before I've had a lot of problems trying to hold on to the LEDs and pop them on. It wasn't very good. So I've got these, what are self-locking ones for electronical components. You pop them in to open them. Obviously they close by themselves. I'll try and get started with all of this then. See if I can do this right first time. As I say, sometimes it doesn't go right, sometimes it does. If you look on YouTube, you'll probably find where the screws are located. You know, here. I've just got one left there. What I do is I sellotape the front. The reason I sellotape the front is just to stop all the buttons falling out. Every time I've done it, some button has fallen off, and when you try to pop it back together, it's quite difficult to be fiddling about with everything on the inside. So I'm going to be quiet all the way through this. Hope you enjoy. just right over the top, the actual small LED will actually start to rise up. Makes it easy to take off. Well, usually it makes it easy to take off. Sometimes it's not as easy as other times. Um, Continue in a few seconds after I've done a few. There we go. I've just finished the first LED on it, and now it's the blue one. It kind of went a bit wrong on a few of them. Actually, all of them except for this one. It scarred the board instead of taking off the LED, so I'm going to have to get some conductor paint. It's blue at the moment. I will do the rest at some other point and add that to the rest of the video. So,